Hi guys, it's November again, and Ubuntu released a new Ubuntu 23.10 Mantic Miniature, and we will see the new features, and we're gonna install on VirtualBox as a guest operation system. Let's see the changes. It's coming with GNOME 45 and Linux kernel 6.5, and this new Linux kernel includes a new MIDI 2.0 support. And it's coming with Flutter based App Store, a window tiling assistant which can be good on desktop, a new PPA change for the source and installation, new wallpapers as always, and for the programmers or coders GCC 13 is coming, and with Go version 1.20, LLVM 17, and also a minor update on Shotwell photo application. It's coming with 0.32. Now let's download the latest ISO file and install it on VirtualBox. To download the latest Ubuntu ISO file, we need to go to the ubuntu.com, and here on Ubuntu, click download Ubuntu desktop. Also there are server versions and others, and this one is long time support version, belongs to last year, and we will download 23.10. Let's create a new VM on VirtualBox. Name will be, I will give the Ubuntu 23.10 Mantic Miniature, and ISO image. As you can see, with every release it's increasing, the size is increasing. Now it's around 5 gigabytes, which is more than ordinary DVD discs. And I will skip unattended installation. I will increase base memory to 8 gigabyte, but you can give as much as you want, and finish. I just want to set also the display video memory to 64, and I am going to enable 3D acceleration, and let's start the VM. Full screen. Try or install Ubuntu. We are waiting. Okay, this is the Ubuntu 23.10 Choose your language. I will choose English as a general language. We can two options: install or try Ubuntu. In the previous versions it was coming as a app in the dashboard. Now it's hidden by Stage Manager. You can also access other applications, terminal and other things from this Stage Manager button. But I'm going to install Ubuntu, not try from the DVD drive. You can set your keyboard and test the special case. It's fine. You can set the network options, and this is required for updating meanwhile installation. I will set wired as default. We can update the desktop installer to latest version. I'm skipping it. We have two options for installation. Default installation, just essentials, web browser, basic utilities such as terminal and basic desktop things. And on the full installation, it's also install LibreOffice and other utilities as well. But you can install other things later. I'm going to erase disk and install Ubuntu because it's a virtual machine. I don't have anything on the drive. And we have SDA hard disk, and there will be two partitions, and SDA formatted as X4 used for the root. Okay, you can set your time zone, and of course you can do it all these things after the installation as well. Or better, I can give the release name Mantic Minator, username and password. It can require password to log in or not. I will keep as default. We can select two appearance settings, light, desktop or dark. I will prefer dark because it looks more beautiful. And installation started. Meanwhile, this progress, you can click this console button and you can follow the logs, what's happening in the background. This will take nearly 6 or 8 minutes, maybe less. It's depends to your configuration, how much gigabyte you shared for guest operation system, or how your processor fast. Yeah, you can also install Visual Studio Code if you are a coder, or IntelliJ editor. If you are a content creator, you can use Blender for 3D graphics, Audacity for sound processing, and some other applications as well. Okay, it's installing packages. Yeah, also you can play some games on Linux, Dota 2, or you can install Steam. And Discord for presentations and video content creation. You can use OBS Studio, which I'm currently using it. And Spotify, Firefox, Chromium browser, Bitwarden, Slack for messaging, PyCharm for Python coding, and WireGuard for VPN, Brave browser, Thunderbird for email, and LibreOffice for all your office things. Also you can use Microsoft Teams and Slack for team messaging. Orca screen reader, LibreOffice Writer as a Microsoft Office alternative. Okay, now it's installing the kernel and firmware packages. Installing the system will end soon, and it will configure the system. And now it's installing headers and modules. As I said before, it's coming with Linux kernel 6.5. Now it's configuring the grub bootloader. Now setting up the system. Installation of packages finished. GStreamer. Yeah, we can see the other things. Display drivers, media codecs. Now installing. This is extra things which we marked up in the beginning. Third-party drivers. Yeah, we are so close. On your installation, you don't need to wait for completion. Meanwhile, you can browse on the internet with Firefox, pre-installed Firefox browser. Yeah, you can surf on the net and you can check Ubuntu 23 differences. It's done. Now we can restart it. Let's restart. We are clicking enter or pressing. Now it's booting again from the hard disk this time. And if I make it window, you can see here it's reading from the hard disk, and also you can follow the network communication from this small icon. Because of the first boot, it will take longer time than before, or rest. Okay. Yeah, our Ubuntu 23.10 is ready to use. Online accounts. We can use Google account for Google Drive or Microsoft for cloud solutions. I'm skipping it for this time. I don't want to send any info to Canonical to keep my VM faster. Yeah, we are ready to go, and if you want to install other things, we can open the App Center. Now we have the default Ubuntu, but as you can see, it's not using the full monitor size. For fixing this, we need to install guest editions CD image. Okay, we are opening it. and I will update later. Let's run auto run password, and in few seconds it will use guest editions, and we can use it full size, full window. Close it, and I can complete the software update. Okay, we can see the updates on Ubuntu base. There are some updates for DAG and network manager and other things. Yeah, it's almost 10 minutes after beginning the installation. In 10 minutes everything is ready. Updates and VM tools. After the update, I will boot it for the last time and check it from the final usage. We can install LibreOffice or Go programming language. If you want to see the boot messages, you can press escape on the boot stage. But it booted up very quick. Okay, I can eject this guest editions. Yeah, in the App Center we can install other things such as Go programming language. It's coming with 1.21, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes to install. Yeah, now it's installed. This new App Store is now using Flutter. It's much more easier and beautifully enhanced than previous app stores. We can manage, install or update applications, and if you want to see Go, it's installed. Ubuntu 23.10 is installed. And finally, if you want to install LibreOffice as a Microsoft Office alternative, you can install it from here, which is removed from default installation on 23, and you can install many other things from the App Store, such as Steam, VS Code, or other many things. And another cool feature coming with this update is Window Tiling Assistant. if you have many windows like this, and now resizing windows are much more easier and better. It's a very cool feature. I really liked it. And another cool feature is you can change your workspace from the top left workspace indicator area. And this release also coming with gorgeous background pictures, wallpapers, and themed as miniature. And this one is very nice, and we have 8-bit pixel and the dark one. Let's keep this. If you enjoyed my video and would like to see more content about Linux and open source software, please like and subscribe to my videos. Don't forget to leave your comments below to the video. Thank you, and see you soon in the next videos. Bye.